This Mercedes G63 AMG, absolutely stunner, had probably every option possible, but what it didn't have and couldn't have was a dash cam. Now, what do you put in such a beast of a vehicle? In our opinion, there's only one option. Thinkware's the brand, it's the main brand we support here. Extremely reliable, aesthetically pleasing, and a 2-year warranty, okay? Now, they do a few models in the range, but we've gone for the best of their range, which is the Thinkware U3000 model. We've gone for front and rear, so the customer gets recording out the front windscreen and out the rear window, which tells a whole story, obviously. It's far better to have front and rear than just front in our opinion. Customer also wanted it to have it recording whilst parked up. This camera's got radar built in front and rear, which does allow the car to carry on recording whilst parked up, but there's always a limitation on how long you're gonna get because you can't put a battery drain on factory car batteries. You're gonna get all kinds of problems, you're gonna get warnings on your dashboard. What we've done is we've added a dash cam battery. So that's a battery designed for the dash cam. So when the ignition is turned off on the car, the camera will record from that battery for a period of time. Impossible to say exactly how long, but this customer's going to get probably a week roughly on radar mode, meaning if the car is hit front or back, motion in front of the vehicle within a couple of meters and motion behind the vehicle within a couple of meters, it's going to wake up, record, and then shut down again. Extremely useful feature. Now, without further ado, let's show you the product fitted in the car. In the front, my colleague Max is going to zoom in on the U3000 mounted, which we personally think fits rather nicely next to that plastic binnacle, and from the driver's seat you don't really notice it because the rear view mirror actually hides most of the body in this application. The leads go up behind all the panels, you don't see any cables on show, so extremely neat view. And then if we go around to the back, you can see the rear camera. And there it is right there. That's the rear camera with radar technology built in as well. Lead goes up behind the plastic panels and all through the factory trunk of the vehicle, all behind all the scenes to the front. Again, no visual cables on show. All hardwired neatly and conforming to warranty because this vehicle is still in warranty. What more can I say about a dash cam apart from it records whilst driving, records whilst parked up, and in our opinion, looks fantastic. It's probably the best camera available at the moment as of December 2023. Now this G Wagon, you probably might have seen on our channel not so long ago, is already back in for more security because we've fitted security to stop the vehicle from being stolen, and now we've got security that monitors the car like surveillance for the car when it's parked up. So if it's hit or if someone drives into him, he's got all the footage you could possibly want. So between immobilization, tracker and dash cam, probably the best security you're going to get on this vehicle. Now that is it for now on this G Wagon. Absolute stunner example. It's Connor from John Kleis Car Audio. This is our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-ta.